Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the name of your EUFY S350 indoor cam in the EUFY app. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our EUFY app and find the connected device. So it should look like this. And then we're going to click on the three dots and click on the gear icon to open up the camera settings. And then we're going to scroll down to general. And on the top you'll find the name option. So here you can click on it and change the name of the camera display. So I'm going to change to test. I'm going to exit out, and as you can see the name of the camera changed. Let me just refresh. There we go. Now it says test. And that's about it. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.